Hello everyone, welcome once again. So in this video we will gonna learn about sp underscore rename command of data definition language. So sp underscore rename command is used to change the name of your uh, current table and current table into whatever name you want to change it. So let's suppose you have a table and you want to change its name, so you can use that sp underscore rename command. So how you can do this? We'll type sp underscore rename command and your table name. So in my case my table name is class 1 and new name I want it to only class. I just want to remove class name, so just select it and execute it. So now just click on your database and press refresh. You can go in table section. Now you can see that your class name has been changed. Or if you want to see any structure of your tables in your database, you don't want to go in folder structure, what you can do, just sp underscore help and type your class name and press execute. So you can see your all table structure, table data length, data type and length of the data and everything. You can go through this also. So I hope you will learn something good again today. So if you have any doubt, you please feel free to put comment below the video. I will try to respond as soon as possible. Thank you.